Hello everyone. If your Windows 10 time is wrong all the time, this video will help you to fix it. Go to Settings app. Select Time and Language. Click on Date and Time. In the same window, turn on Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically options. Under Synchronize your clock, click on Sync Now button. If you continue to face the problems, refer Method 2 shared next here. Press Windows plus R, type regedit and run box. And click OK. In Registry Editor window, go to the following registry key. In the red pane of time zone information, create a registry word named Realty Mise Universal. And set its value data to 1. Close Registry Editor and reboot your system, then issue must be resolved.